Hello, my name is Niels Pflaeging. It's a lovely spring day here in Wiesbaden, Germany. Today is a beautiful day, as you can see. The sun is shining, etc. So everything's wonderful. And it's an even lovelier day for me because today is the day of publication of a new book that I edited and that Beta Codex Press is proudly publishing today. The book is entitled What Would Ernst Weichselbaum Do? It's the first book in English about the work of the brilliant philosopher practitioner of time orientation, Ernst Weichselbaum. So far there was only a book in German published by Ernst Weichselbaum, which I edited with him in 2020. During the COVID lockdown it was concluded and published. So this is the first book in English. What would Ernst Weichselbaum do? It's a wonderful little resource, only 188 pages, filled with 160 or so quotes by Ernst Weichselbaum. But you will see it's shock and awe, it's groundbreaking, it's revolutionary, it's visionary. It questions all our conventional assumptions about management and organizing and lean and production and so on. So this is a book you should get. What would Ernst Weichselbaum do? Get it now printed or in ebook format. It's available everywhere as of today. Get your copy now. See you very soon.